Beloved intercessor, we are called by God to rebuild the wall that protects Jerusalem, the church, the people of God. And that is a wall of intercession. And today I want to talk about restoring the prophetic alertness. In Nehemiah chapter 3 verse 1, it says, the high priest and the other priests raised the wall up to the tower of the 100, which they also dedicated, and up to the tower of Hananel. So you notice here those towers were reinforced by the rebuilding of the wall. And in the same way, as we rebuild intercession, as we rebuild calling God and pleading God for our leaders, I believe there's going to be a prophetic alertness and awareness. We want to be like the tribe of Issachar, that they knew how to understand the times and what Israel should do. May the Lord awaken your prophetic discernment so that you know what is blessing the group and what is part of the attack on the groups and on your leaders. And talking about your leaders, I want to ask you once again, intercessor, that you will make a commitment to pray for your group leader every day in your devotions, sometimes in the group, in different situations. Pray every day for your leader, and please add me to the prayer. Pray for me and my family. I declare that we are in great need to be protected by the prayers of this people. I have been serving this network for 19 years, and this is one of the hardest times, but I know that with your help and your protection and your prayer for all of us leaders, we will see tremendous victory. God bless you.